Today is my first workout this December and here's the story.
Hi guys, this is Ken. Samahan nyo ako sa first ever workout ko this December. And you know why? Nagtrangkaso ako ng almost 3 weeks. Ganun ako katagal mag-recover. As in, ang tagal kong mag-recover. Hindi rugot, totoo yun. So, dahil sa yung trangkaso ko, humaba ng 3 weeks. And today is December 27. Could you just imagine how long na hindi ako nag-workout? Kaya ang nipis ko na wala akong kalaman-laman. So, ngayon, mag-gym ako. Hopefully not the last for this December. Pero tignan natin kung kaya ng schedule ko pa bukas para makabawi naman ako sa katawan ko kasi is essential pa rin talaga na mag-workout.
Siguro most can relate kapag matagal kang hindi nag-workout, babalik at babalik sa basic weights. Kaya sobrang gaan lang ng aking mga ginawa. Here's a view of the workouts that I did. More on chest lang yung ginawa ko and konting triceps. At tinapos ko yung workout ko sa kaunting cardio para naman magising ako. Then I had a good shake of my whey protein for my post-workout.
So, I'm done working out and bili na tayo ulit ng kape. Kailangan ko ng kape.
As usual, dahil holiday, mahabang pila. Good afternoon. Okay lang pagpa-customer salted caramel latte.
Ice po ba yun?
Hot. That ends my day. Like and share. Bye-bye.